Hello. Good evening. How are you?
Hello, teacher.
Okay. Can you see the screen clearly? Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay. Because we will going to have a lot of reading exercise. Okay, so bow without any further ado, we will going to start our lesson. Okay, so we are now in activity 4. Read the blog again about Christine and complete the sentences. Use the words in the box. Okay. Where are you?
I'm good.
Okay. So we will going to read again the blog about Christine before we proceed on this activity. Okay?
Yes,
Okay, so remember while reading, take note of important things about the blog. Okay.
uh,
My Brazil blog.
my Brazil blog.
Hi,
Hi, my name's Christine, and
Christine.
I'm from Christine, and I'm from Scotland. But
But,
I'm not in, but
but,
I, but I'm not in Scotland now. I'm in Brazil, and I study animals. My my life
life,
here, my life
life.
my life
Mm-hmm.
here is very different from my uh, li- life in Scotland.
All right. Here,
Here in Brazil, I study in the evening and at night, and I sleep in the day. I get up at about 4 p.m. and at 4:10 I have a shower and then have a drink and have breakfast with the other students. At about 5:30 in the afternoon, we put our things into our bags. At 6 p.m., we go into the forest and look for birds.
and look for birds. Okay,
We write their names in our notebooks.
mm-hmm.
We don't talk because we don't want the birds to hear us. At 9:30 in the evening, we stop and eat sandwiches uh, and drink water or juice. It's our lunch. We don't stop for a long time. At
Mm-hmm.
about 10:15, we look for night animals. We finish at about 3 a.m. Before we eat our dinner. We write the
Mm-hmm.
names of all the birds and animals on the computer. We have the ring at 5:15, at 5:45 in the morning. I'm very tired. I'm I'm ready for bed. I don't see the sun because I sleep I sleep all day. But
But,
I'm very but I'm very happy.
Yes. Okay. So let's now proceed on our activity. Okay, so complete the sentences. Use the words in the box. At night, looks for, tired, to bed. Names, goes, in the evening, and sleeps. Okay, so we will going to complete each sentences like this. For example, Christine is from Scotland, but now she is in Brazil. Okay,
Uh,
let's start with number one. How about number one? Bow. Can you read this
uh,
for me? She,
she is still this
she studies.
this story
She studies.
this stories
Mm-hmm.
uh this story
She
uh
studies
that is time
using using these words inside the box. She studies
that is
blank
time
and blank and she blanked in the day. Okay, what do you think is this? Based on the blog that you've read. She studies
so this time and and um
mm-hmm.
look for
She studies at night
night and
and
in the evening
and she
and see sleep and see
very
the
yes, it's correct.
sleep the
Yes, sleeps with S. She sleeps in the day.
sleeps in the day.
Okay, how about number two? She
She
mm-hmm,
uh, goes into the forest and looks for birds and night animals.
very good. Well done, Bao. Okay, let's proceed to number three.
She was the she was uh the
She writes the
she was the names
of.
of the birds and the night animals in her notebook.
All right. Okay. Last one. After.
After dinner, she goes she she goes to bed.
Mm-hmm.
She is very tired.
Yeah, she is very tired. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's move to the next page. So we are now in grammar, present simple. Read about Christine and then complete the sentences. Okay, can you read this for me, Bao?
In Brazil, Christine sleeps in the day. She doesn't sleep at night. The students don't see the sun.
The sleep at night. The
Here
students don't
in
see the sun.
Brazil,
Okay.
study in the evening. I don't
I don't study.
uh,
Hmm.
evening in Scotland.
Okay, can you read this again, Bao?
I
I
don't
don't.
study in the evening in Scotland.
Okay. We
We don't stop for a long. We don't stop for a long time to eat for lunch.
to eat our.
Eat our lunch.
Okay. So number one, we use don't and doesn't to make the present simple negative for I, you, we, and they. Okay. Rule number two, we use don't and doesn't to make the present simple negative for he, she, and it. Okay. And the third rule, we add don't. Okay, we add don't and add s or es to the main verb to make the present simple negative for he, she, or it. He, she, and it. Okay. Listen and repeat. Okay, let me play the audio for this one.
Track 1.67.
Okay, listen carefully, Bao, okay?
1,
In Brazil, Christine sleeps in the day. She doesn't sleep at night. The students don't see the sun.
2,
Here in Brazil, I work in the evening. I don't work in the evening in Scotland.
3,
We don't stop for a long time to eat our lunch.
Okay, where are you, Bao? Hello? Are you still there? Okay.
Uh,
Okay, can you hear me, Bao?
yes,
Okay. How about the screen? Can you see? Can you see it?
yes.
Okay. So now let's proceed to activity 3. Talk about things Christine does in Brazil and doesn't do in Scotland. Okay, for example, have a shower. In Brazil, Christine has a shower at
Uh,
10 past 4. She doesn't have a shower at 10 past 4 in Scotland. All right, so you will going to construct a sentence like this, mm, to compare things that Christine does in Brazil and doesn't do in Scotland. So you will going to compare the two, Brazil and Scotland, what she does and what she
yeah,
doesn't. Okay? It's still based on the
yeah.
blog that you've read. For example, get up, number one, get up. In Brazil, in
In Brazil,
Brazil, Christine,
in Christine has a
uh,
shower
yes,
at 10 by 4. She doesn't have a shower at 10 past 4 in Scotland.
yes.
Scotland.
Okay, how about get up? Okay, you will going to continue this. In Brazil, Christine gets up, gets up. Okay, in Brazil, Christine gets up at about what time do
Uh,
Christine gets up
Gets
in
up.
Brazil? Mm-hmm.
Uh,
In Brazil,
she In
In Brazil, Christine get up at hello, Bao.
yeah,
In Brazil, Christine.
in Brazil, Chris, uh,
Yes, Christine
in
gets up.
Christine up,
Gets up.
gets up
Mm-hmm.
at 4 p.m. and at 4:10.
Okay, so all right. So in Brazil, Christine gets up at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, she doesn't get. And how about in Scotland? Scotland.
Uh, at
Mm-hmm.
9.
Oops, where is it? Okay. So in Brazil, Christine gets up at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, she doesn't
She doesn't
gets
have
up,
a
gets up
guest up
at
at
about 4 o'clock in the afternoon in Scotland. So you will just going to use so you will just going to construct a sentence using this example. Okay, so for example, number 1, get up. Okay, it's based on the blog that you've read. In Brazil, Christine gets up at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. In the afternoon. She doesn't gets up at about 4 o'clock in Scotland. Okay?
yeah,
Okay, Bao?
yeah,
Alright, so let's try again. Have lunch. How about have lunch? You will you will going to start in Brazil, Christine
in Brazil, Christine
has
has lunch
lunch. Very good. Has lunch. Okay, what
at
time? Let's look at what time she ate lunch. Okay, where is it? Okay. In Brazil,
uh,
Christine has lunch at
at 9:30.
9:30 or 9:30.
Husband 9
9:30 in the
in the evening.
evening. Okay, in the evening. She doesn't has lunch
She doesn't have lunch at
at half past
half past 9
past in the evening
in, in the evening.
in Scot
Is Scotland.
yes, in Scotland. Okay, can you repeat again? What is your answer for number 2? Can you repeat again the sentence? In Brazil.
The-
In Brazil.
In Brazil,
Mm-hmm.
the the doesn't have lunch
She
at
doesn't. In Brazil, she has lunch.
in
Eh,
Brazil. She
Christine has
has
lunch at.
lunch at 9:30 in the evening.
She doesn't.
She doesn't
Has lunch
have lunch
at.
at 9:30
In the evening.
in the evening
In.
in Scotland.
Yes, very good, Pao. Okay. So where are we? What's the next stop? Okay, have dinner. Okay, so what time do Christine have dinner in Brazil?
Uh,
In Brazil, Christine
but Christine has
has
dinner
dinner.
uh,
Let's look again. For dinner at
has dinner at 3 a.m.
5:15. We have
What the
dinner,
bus
at
we have dinner
5:15
at
or
5
5:15
5:15
in the morning.
in the morning.
Okay, she doesn't
She doesn't has
have
dinner
she doesn't
has
have dinner
doesn't have dinner at
at
5:15
in
in
the
in
morning
the morning
in
in the mo-
in
in the morning
okay
in
in
uh,
Scot
Scotland.
yes, in Scotland. Okay. So in Brazil, Christine has dinner at 5:15 or at 5:15 in the morning. She doesn't have dinner at 5:15 or at 5:15 in the morning in Scotland. Okay, Bao. Okay, let's try the last one. Go to bed. So what time does Christine go to bed? In Brazil,
In Brazil, Christine
Christine goes
goes goes
goes to bed
goes to bed at mm,
at
at all the
at
uh, at 5:45 in the morning. In the
o-
morning,
okay, so you're just going to repeat what happened. Okay, in Scotland, how about in Scotland? She doesn't
in Scotland,
go
she does she doesn't
go to
go
bed
to bed at
at
5:45 in the morning in
in,
Scotland.
yes, well done, Bao. Okay. All right, so let's move on to our next activity. Okay, number 4. Complete the sentences with the verbs inside the bracket. Okay. For example, you, okay, the word inside the bracket is the verbs. The verb inside the bracket is not live. Okay, you don't live in Scotland. So you will going
You in
to
Scotland.
correct, yes, you will going to complete the sentences with correct form of verb. Okay, number 1. My sister.
My sister doesn't wash her hair in the morning.
Very good. Okay, how about number 2?
My mom and dad don't make sandwiches for lunch.
Yes, my mom and dad don't make sandwiches for lunch. Very good, Bao. Okay. Number
Uh, I
3.
I don't do my homework in the morning before school.
Okay. Let's continue to number 4.
James
James.
doesn't uh, James
James
doesn't
doesn't.
get the bus to school.
Very good. Okay. How about number 5?
We don't go to school on Sundays.
Okay. Last
Uh,
one.
my te-
Number 6.
my teacher my teacher doesn't work at night.
Okay. Very good, Bao. Perfect. All right. So we are now in speaking. Read about Lassidy's day. Tell your partner what Lassidy does at. Okay. So before we proceed in this activity, you need to read. You need about Lassidy's day first. Okay, morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, it's a schedule of Lassidy. So she has a schedule here. Okay, can you read this for me? Hi.
My name's Leslie. I'm 16 and
Teen.
I'm from South
South.
South Africa.
Yeah.
South Africa. South
South
Africa.
Africa. Okay, 16.
16.
Okay. Morning, schedule of Lassidy. Can you read this for me, Bao? What is her
6,
at
15.
6:15?
Get up. No shower. At
7
7 o'clock. Walk to the football academy.
at 7:30.
Play and learn about football.
Okay.
Have a shower.
What time is it?
Have a shower at at 9:45. Have a shower at 10:15. Play a football game.
Yes, play a football game. 12.
Uh, 12. Have
Mm-hmm.
lunch. 12:45. Go to school for lessons. 4:15. Have a drink and
It's
sandwich.
lessons. Lessons.
Lesson.
Okay.
4:30. Play football with friends in the park. 6:30. Eat with my family. Evening. 7:30. Do homework. At 10:15. Go to bed.
Okay. So, Bao, since we don't have much time, okay, we will going to finish our lesson from here. From here, we will going to continue answering this activity on our next meeting. Okay, on Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay, Bao, and I also remind you about your homework. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Good night, Bao.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Good